Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm from R&R News, and I'm using this microphone today because my voice is a little scratchy, and same as our new person actually coming to say the news, same as Jason, but Ricky who normally does it's fine, but just for mine. And so now we have our current temperatures, everything in the upper to lower 60s, everywhere in the 60s, except Groton 58 and Windsor Locks 71. Now our Doppler radar, there's nothing. I mean, a little bit in here from the rain that's going to be coming, which you'll see in the regional satellite, but looking good everywhere in Connecticut and mostly in the northeast region except Pennsylvania and New York. And you can see all this rain is going to come in Connecticut, and next week we'll have rain as you can see down here, and everything will be in the 60s. And same thing with the cloud cover. Clouds, all of the rain, all will be coming in dark cumulus clouds, and the pressure will be staying the same in the next 24 hours, so no changing pressure. And now for our travel delays, everything's going good, flying well. Boston I think a week ago, had a few problems with the airplanes, but everything's back to normal now. And so I'll let you go. Thanks for watching R&R News. I'm Ryan. Have a good night.